and industry and manufacturing, especially in Pitt County.
That was perfect. You know, as the mayor of the city of Greenville, it's awesome to be here. It's awesome to be able to see an initiative to be able to help some of the local businesses that are here in our community. I think you mentioned this. So many people drive by a lot of these manufacturing plants, and they don't realize what takes place there or the opportunities that are there and all the great things that are happening here in Pitt County. I mean, here we are standing in front of Pitt Community College, which is one of the larger community colleges in the state. You know, there's so many different opportunities for people to come here and get higher education, learning, to be able to go and work at some of these manufacturing plants that are already here. A lot of times I feel like in economic development, we get so caught up in bringing in the best, newest, biggest thing. But a lot of these companies that are here locally in Pitt County are amazing. They're the lifeblood of our community. They're things that they're companies that have invested heavily already, and they've got job opportunities for so many people, so many students that go here to Pitt Community College, or may go to East Carolina University, or may come right out of Pitt County schools. So there's so many different opportunities. So thank you so much for all that you guys have done. It's great to be here. It's great to be able to see us marketing our community, because I've always said if we can't market our own community, we've got a problem, right? We should be the voice piece for all of Eastern North Carolina, because we want to see our areas grow. So on behalf of the city
And Pitt County, thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Welcome to Pitt Community College. We're happy to be here. It is National Manufacturing Day, so it's a great day for the ribbon cutting. There's some great videos. I don't know if you've already seen them yet, but we're featured in one of them, so make sure you pay attention. We have a lot of programs here to assist our local industries and industrial areas. And if anytime you want to come out, visit, take a tour, see what we have to offer, be more than happy to take you around and show you our campus. We're pretty proud of our campus here and what we do here and our partnerships with the public schools and our Tech Academy programs, and the list goes on and on. So again, thanks for coming out. Welcome to Pitt Community College. And I do want to say, and the slogan is live, work, play. Today we're about playing. So thanks a lot. Again, thank you for coming out.
Directors, the county, the city, our partners, PCC, ECU, thank you all for being here. And I just want to say that I think all the partners certainly understand, Chamber included, how important it is for collaboration. And I think that's what it's all about. So I commend you guys what you've done in putting this Pitt County project together. A valuable resource that we can all use to attract and retain talent, but also highlight everything that's going on here in Pitt County with manufacturing. On Manufacturing Day, a great day. Over 100 manufacturers in Pitt County that are producing quality goods, quality service, but doing all they can to help our thriving workforce. So we're happy about that. So Chairwoman Perkins Williams, County Manager Gallagher, thank you all for all that you guys are doing. Josh and his team, you guys are doing there kindly. It's a great partnership that we have here, and we're happy to be a part of it. So again, use this resource for your benefit, but when you look at it as a whole, we can all benefit from what this project, this videos, this marketing campaign, which is a common campaign that we can all get behind, will benefit us all. So congratulations on that. We will now cut the ribbon on the project. Josh, good.